Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is December 4th, 2025, and we're diving into Hormel Foods' latest earnings report. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Hormel Foods, a global branded food company, has just released its fourth quarter and full year fiscal 2025 results. It's an interesting report with a mix of challenges and opportunities.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Hormel Foods reported net sales of $12.1 billion for fiscal 2025. John, how does this compare to last year, and what does it say about the company's performance?
Hormel's net sales increased by 1.6% compared to fiscal 2024, indicating steady growth. However, the operating income was $719 million, which is a decline from the previous year. The adjusted operating income, though, was $119 million, showing that the company is managing its core operations effectively despite challenges.
And what about the earnings per share?
The adjusted diluted earnings per share came in at $1.37, which is a solid performance, especially considering the forecasted EPS was 30 cents. This indicates that Hormel has managed to exceed expectations significantly.
Segment performance and challenges. John, can you break down the performance across Hormel's different segments?
Sure. The retail segment saw a 70% decline in profit, primarily due to non-cash impairment charges. On the other hand, the food service segment experienced a 4% increase in net sales, driven by strong demand for customized solutions and branded products. However, the international segment faced a significant 612% drop in profit, largely due to competitive pressures and impairment charges.
It seems like a mixed bag. What are the key challenges Hormel is facing?
The main challenges include input cost pressures, particularly in the commodity markets, and competitive pressures in international markets like Brazil. These factors have significantly impacted profitability.
Strategic initiatives and future outlook. Looking ahead, what strategic initiatives is Hormel focusing on to drive growth?
Hormel is investing in its Transform and Modernize (T&M) initiative, which aims to optimize supply chains and improve operational efficiencies. For fiscal 2026, they forecast net sales between $12.2 billion and $12.5 billion, with an adjusted EPS of $1.43 to $1.51, indicating a positive outlook.
That's promising. How does the company plan to achieve these targets?
Hormel plans to focus on brand leadership, operational excellence, and meeting consumer needs with protein-centric offerings. They are also implementing targeted pricing initiatives and reducing administrative expenses to enhance profitability.
Market reaction and company response. How has the market reacted to Hormel's earnings report?
The market reaction has been mixed. While the adjusted EPS beat expectations, the significant decline in segment profits and the challenges in international markets have caused some volatility in the share price.
And how is Hormel responding to these challenges?
Hormel is making strategic adjustments, including pricing initiatives and cost reductions, to counteract the input cost pressures. They are also focusing on their T&M initiative to drive long-term growth and profitability.
Key takeaways. In summary, Hormel Foods has shown resilience with a strong adjusted EPS and strategic initiatives aimed at future growth. Despite some challenges, the company's outlook for fiscal 2026 is optimistic. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure discussing Hormel's performance and prospects.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Hormel's performance in the comments below.